Well, good morning. How are you going to communicate to your students and parents and administrator and all the stakeholders what's going on in your classroom today? What did we do yesterday? What did we do 3 days ago? The challenge with writing the objective on the board is that we erase it every day. So what I use Google Slides, and every day I add a new slide to the top so that when you open the slides, the first thing you see is today. But then the previous slide is the day before, and the slide before that is the day before that. So it's a continuous list of what is our agenda for each day. So I have an add-on. It collects no data, as none of my add-ons collect data to help you do this. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so it is called Agenda Slides, and the first thing you're gonna do is just start a Google Slide. So here I have a blank Google Slides that I created. You can download, well, it's not really a download. You can install Agenda Slides at alicekeeler.com/codedbyalice, or you can come to the extensions menu, go to add-ons, choose get add-ons, and type in either Agenda Slides or Alice Keeler, and you're gonna be able to find those. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up to the extensions menu. I've already installed this, and I'm gonna go to Daily Agenda Slides. Daily Agenda Slides, I did make this. It again collects no data, no PII. It's totally safe. I'm gonna show the slide bar. So that comes up right there. And I'm going to choose a date. I'm gonna choose today, and I'm gonna insert it in this format. So this is how I can do it manually. So you see today is August 18th, and it just adds a slide for me where I can type, what are we doing today? What's our objectives? What are announcements and things that I want the students to know? I can also just push this tomorrow button. It's gonna insert it up at the top. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. Each day has a different color. So I do have those fast buttons to just insert one for today. And you can also do it in different date formats, or you can choose a date. So if I wanna do Friday, I can stick that in there. Let's see what color Friday is, right? Friday is teal. All right, so now I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna enable auto agenda. So auto agenda, here it comes. So I have enabled that. So if you're not a premium member, please join. I have advanced features in my add-ons that are, some of them are exclusive and a lot of them are free. So the auto agenda is just gonna make this every day at 4 a.m. So when I enable auto agenda, every day at 4 a.m. is going to insert the slide for today so I can build my agenda. Okay, what are other things that I can do with this? I can insert an important. Just gives you a little splash up there. I can randomize the slide color because that's fun. I can add a random emoji. I can add a random quote. I don't know why I want a quote from Walt Whitman, but it'll just let you do that. Let me go to this slide because I'm going to add a pirate quote, because why not? All right, so what is this going to allow you to do? It's just every day, you're just going to come into your agenda slides, choose today or tomorrow, or choose the date, and then you're going to be able to just put in, what are we doing today? So objective is place value, and we're gonna do a warm-up and quiz on Friday. Maybe I want to put quiz on Friday. All right, so it's that easy. Let me just show you one more time. If I go to slides.new, so I have a brand new slides. I come up to the extensions menu. I've installed daily agenda slides. Just go right here, insert today. It's gonna add that slide to the top. It's gonna be ready for me to put my agenda and these things in there. The other piece of advice that I wanna give you is to link this in your email subject line, on your syllabus, wherever parents and students access information from you, link it here. And what I would use, so I would go File, Share, and do Publish to the Web. Because the Publish to the Web is going to be in presentation view. So they're not seeing it in this edit view. I want them to see the publish view. other tip is if you do want to share the actual slides instead of the publish view, I would share the publish view. When you go up to the share button, do make sure that it is anyone with the link can view so people can view your slides, and choose copy link from the share button, because if you copy the link up at the top of your URL, up at the top of the slides, you'll see that it actually has in there the slide ID, and it's going to link to that specific slide, which will not be today for very long. So if you want it to go to the presentation and they see the first slide, do make sure you click the share button and copy that link. So that is agenda slides. That is agenda slides. You can get it at alicekeeler.com/coded by Alice, and it collects no user data.